Hey everybody, I hope you guys are doing well today. I want to start my vlog off a little different today. I feel like I'm getting a little bit repetitive with my intros, so I want to do something a little different today. I'm gonna do a challenge, 3-point challenge. Each spot on the 3-point line, I'm gonna take 5 shots. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 shots total, and I'm gonna see how many shots I can make out of 25. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Like I said, I just want to do something a little different. But yeah, I'm all geared up with the GoPro, got the phone there on the tripod, and we'll hop right into the video. God bless you guys. Thank you for the support. Okay, I'm all geared up with the GoPro. I'm going to try to get 2 angles, and then I got the tripod for the phone here. But yeah, geared up with the GoPro. I think I'm going to put the phone here at center court, try to get the whole view of the court this way. So I did warm up a little bit before I decided to start this, so trust me, it wasn't a very good warm up, but we'll hop right into it. Oh for 1. Oh for 2. Oh for 3. Oh for 4. Ah! Oh for 5. One for 8. One for 9. One for 10. One for 11. One for 12. One for 13. One for 14. Don't mind that air ball, that was terrible. One for 15. One for 16. One for 17. One for 18. One for 19. One for 20. One for 21. One for 22. One for 23. One for 24. One for 25. I really hope you guys enjoyed that start to this vlog. I know it wasn't very good. I'm not very good at basketball at all, but as you guys know, I am disabled and very limited as to what I can do. But I still hope you guys enjoyed it. Hey everybody, just a little update. I'm hanging out with my friend Keith. We're gonna have a nice picnic at the park. But right now we're at Dollar General. We gotta grab a few things for the picnic, and we'll definitely bring you guys along for that. It's just going to be a simple picnic, nothing fancy, but we still want to show you guys that and hope you enjoy it. We'll bring you along. God bless. Yeah, we got everything we needed at the Dollar General. Now we're at the Dollar Tree. Hey everybody, Keith and I made it out here to Crystal Beach Park. We got all of our stuff for the picnic. Got a drink, some dessert, sliced cheese, deli meat, bread, chips, dip. Really simple, but you couldn't ask for a better day. It's absolutely beautiful out here. We're sitting by the water. So yeah, I'll get my lunch made up here and I'll show you guys that and we'll catch up with you. God bless. Hey everybody, this is my lunch here. Like I said, pretty simple lunch, but yeah, we're enjoying this beautiful afternoon here at the Crystal Beach Park. We'll give it a taste test. Very good, yet simple. Making sure to clean up after ourselves at the local park here. Just want to set a good example. God bless. Hey everybody, I had the perfect idea for today's video. I have my GoPro here, as you guys can see, and I'm gonna be putting it inside the washing machine. So this is GoPro versus washing machine. We'll get it started. Set it down in here and we'll give it a start. The GoPro is down in there, getting ready to wash. Still spins it pretty quick. Load sensing.
The water's pouring on, filling up the washer. Just wanted to give you guys an update. God bless. Yep, it's going hyperspeed now at the end of the washing machine cycle. I don't know if you guys can see the faint red light spinning in circles, but that's the GoPro. The moment of truth. It looks like we're still rolling. I'll get this footage loaded and we'll catch up with you. Hey everybody, I got all the footage loaded off the GoPro. Talk about a hardy, tough camera. As you guys seen, the washing machine was ripping it around, throwing it every which way, and it survived. The only issue that I noticed was the lens cover here had a bunch of water in it, but that's fine. I just took it off and used the air compressor and sprayed all the water out of it. It turns on perfectly fine. And it records videos. Hey everybody, so I decided I want to record with the GoPro for the rest of this vlog. Also, I want to make a longer vlog than Keith. I think he uploaded his and it was somewhere around 21 minutes. So I want to get longer than 21 minutes. And I know I've been making short videos here lately, and I do apologize for the lack of content, but yeah, I just want to make a long video today for you guys. Hopefully it's entertaining, and I'll just vlog what I can and get you guys content. God bless you guys. Appreciate the support. I don't see one cloud in the sky here. Give you guys a 360. Yeah, I don't see one cloud at all. The cologne that I wore today is Kenneth Cole Blue. I really like it. I'm not too sure why I've been so into colognes and fragrances here lately. I guess I just like to be hygienic and smell really good. That's one pet peeve of mine for myself personally. I cannot stand smelling bad. I always try to have good hygiene. I always try to smell good. And yeah, I just been really into the colognes and fragrances. I really just like to smell good and stay hygienic. It's just one of my things that I prefer. I just prefer to not smell bad. So I always keep a watch for how I'm smelling throughout the day. But yeah, comment down below what kind of cologne or perfume or fragrance do you use. Leave me a comment down below. I'm curious. I'm really excited for the upcoming NBA regular season. This here is my autographed jersey signed by Steph Curry. And here's a photo of him signing the jersey. I really enjoy it. Probably my favorite autograph that I've gotten. Just wanted to show you guys this. Another autograph that I'm really happy that I got was Karl Anthony Towns. He signed my shirt when I went to one of the games. It's just really neat. A lot of these players are really, really nice and humble guys. They're just so inspirational. What do we got cooking here?
Turkey burgers.
Turkey burgers. Looking good, smelling good. My mom also threw on a couple steaks we found on sale at the store. They're looking pretty good too. They're nothing fancy, just, you know, your run-of-the-mill steaks, but they look pretty good to me. These turkey burgers are fresh off the grill. They look good and they smell amazing. I'm gonna sneak a bite. Very good. Yeah, dinner's looking really, really good. I'm gonna try a potato here first. Nice and crispy. It was cooked on the flat top grill. Try the turkey burger now. I already snuck a bite earlier, as you guys seen. I usually don't like turkey burger, but my mom does a pretty good job of preparing it and cooking it. Now this steak here, give it a try. Tender, juicy. Only cooked it a couple minutes aside. I don't like my steaks well done at all, but some people do, and I respect that opinion, but I really, really like my steaks rare or medium rare at the most. I even like blue rare sometimes. But yeah, I would say it's pretty good. Oh man, that was an excellent dinner. It was so good. That cheap steak was actually really, really good. You know, some cheap cuts of steak are really, really bad, and some are like that. They just surprise you, and it's like, wow, that was pretty good. But yeah, overall, I would give the dinner a solid 9 out of 10. Just fantastic. Mom, I gave dinner a 9 out of 10.
That's good.
Yeah, the turkey burgers were really good, and the cheap steak really surprised me. It was good.
Teats are going.
Hopefully you guys can see this. Look at this spider here. He's got his web and everything. Trying to get close, but I don't want to bother him. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. I thought that was really cool. I'm really proud of how well my cactus is done. I think I'm gonna bring it inside when it gets close to winter time and put it in the windowsill, because I really, really love this cactus. It means a lot to me. I know it's just a silly cactus, but I really love it. It's grown so much since I received it as a gift. I just love this cactus. I'm gonna put the GoPro on this extendable tripod and show you guys the angle. Okay, here's the angle. I'm gonna go all the way up to the roof. Get pretty high up. Pretty high up. I love coming over to this field nearby my house. It's just so beautiful for sunsets and just good views in general. I love it. Get a high angle of it here. Yeah, I think it's pretty neat. Yeah, the waterproof works really well on the GoPro. Just want to show you guys again. Yeah, its sink is filling up and yeah, it's just crazy how durable this GoPro really is. Yeah, the GoPro has definitely been one of the best investments I've ever made, especially for my YouTube channel. It's just so durable, and I don't have to worry about getting it dirty or wet because, yeah, this thing is just awesome. It's really handy for outdoor videos and, you know, out in the wilderness. You just don't have to worry about it getting damaged or wet or anything like that. So a story time for you guys. Keith and I have a lot of GoPro accessories, virtually pretty much all of them, and one of them that we loved to use was the head mount. You put the strap on your head and you can mount the GoPro to it, and it was really handy. So unfortunately, when I was heading home from Keith's house one day, I thought I had everything packed up, all my camera equipment, my charger for my phone, had my phone, wallet, keys, inhaler, all the necessities. And then I get home and I realize, oh great, I left the GoPro head mount on top of my car. And yeah, it ended up getting lost. And then Keith found it, but unfortunately when he found it, it was damaged. Beyond repair. He found it over on Oklahoma Avenue, one of the main roads in Woodward, Oklahoma. So yeah, it was unfortunate, but it is what it is. But if there's one accessory I'd love to have again, is a GoPro head mount. So one of these days I'll get around to getting one again, or Keith will get around to getting one again. But yeah, I just want to tell you guys that story. I don't think either of us ever mentioned it on our videos. Yeah, unfortunately, I forgot it on top of the car, and it fell off on Oklahoma Avenue, and it got ran over. It got pummeled. So, yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that story and share it with you. God bless. I do have this clip that can clip onto hats or whatever, but when you do clip it on a hat, it does get pretty heavy. It weighs the hat down so much because the GoPro is not heavy, but when you're wearing it on a hat, plus the weight of the clip mount here, it does get pretty heavy and weighs your head down. So yeah, the head strap was very handy to have. I just am so upset with myself that I left it on top of my car, but like I said, one of these days, maybe Keith and I can get another one. It's just, everything's so expensive. This economy is hard for everybody across the whole board, so let's keep your head up and move one day at a time. God bless. I don't know if you guys have ever had these, but caramel apple pops. It's a sucker, a green apple flavored, and it has caramel on the outside of it. It's really good. My mom got them at the store one day and I tried one and I was like, wow. Yeah, I really enjoy them. Has a great flavor. earlier today when Keith and I were riding around in my car and we were grabbing stuff at the store and heading to the park, we were listening to music from the 1940s, and it's just kind of cool to listen to music from that long ago, and to see how much music has really evolved over the years and continues to evolve. I just love music all around. Yeah, it was just kind of cool to listen to that, and him and I enjoy the 1940s music together. What is your favorite decade of music? Leave a comment down below. Hey everybody, I just gave my friend TC a call. He said he just got off of work not too long ago. I told him I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick and then he and I are gonna hang out. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little while. God bless. Alrighty, I'm freshly showered. About to go meet up with TC. Also, I put some more Pinnacle Blue cologne on. All clean, smelling good. I'm excited to hang out with my friend TC. Hey everybody, I'm on my way to meet up with TC. Got stuck by the train. Say hi TC, he's on the phone.
Hello people!
But yeah, you guys will see him shortly. I'm just waiting on this train right now. It's passing by, so looks like a pretty long one. Yeah, this is a lot longer train than I thought it was. It's still going. Up, here's the end of it. Yeah, that sure was a long train. Yep, here's the end right here. There it goes. Hey everybody, just met up with my friend TC. We're gonna be doing some hanging out. How you doing, TC?
Oh, good. I had a great day at work. Yep.
Look at TC, man. So inspirational.
Yep. I'm gonna be making my own chili mac recipe.
So basically, he introduced this to me a while back. I was like, oh, I guess I never had them together. So he's making some macaroni and cheese with chili and a can of Rotel, and he calls it his signature chili mac. So we'll get that made and we'll show you guys. Being hygienic, it's always good to wash your hands.
Yep.
This can of Rotel is being very difficult.
Yep.
Our can opener isn't the best, but
It looks very old too.
Yeah, we're trying to get it open here.
And then I put chili and Rotel together, mix it around.
It already smells good.
Yeah, it has a really, really great flavor smell to it. Alright, so it's almost at its boiling point, and the chili and Rotel is already done, ready to be served. I just need for this thing to boil and then put this whole thing in there, and we should be done by then. And hold on, it's not there yet. The whole thing? Yep. Alright, just got boiling. So now I start mixing. Yep. Alright everybody, I got the noodles done, put the chili in, and then put the cheese in, and now putting the bacon bits in, and then around. If you were here right now, it has an amazing smell right now. And then bon appetito. It's done.
Alright, we're giving TC's famous signature chili mac a try here. Just got finished making it. Solid 8 out of 10, TC. I love it.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah, TC, I really appreciate it. I enjoyed it.
I'm glad to hear, man.
But yeah, it's about 9 o'clock in the evening. I really want to get this video finished editing and upload it. I hope I got a long enough vlog for you guys. I really tried my best today. Hopefully you found it interesting and found some sort of entertainment in it. But God bless you guys. Peace be with you.